There are two ways that you can test for a burnt compressor or a compressor that is bad. Okay, the first way, use your multimeter, put it on continuity, this continuity, and make sure there is resistance. Okay, you go to where this compressor is being powered, the SR and the C terminal. If you touch, if each terminal corresponding to one another and there is resistance, that means there's no open line. There should be some value reading. It means that the windings are still okay. You see, there is all the three, there is. Now it's okay, right? The terminals are okay. Now the second way is to go to each terminal, use your lead, touch each terminal, and you go in the body of the compressor somewhere and you touch it. Now you are looking for whether the compressor is grounded. So let me go to one terminal, touch it here, then I touch here. You see what's going to happen? You see, there's continuity. It means that this compressor is grounded and it's burned out. All the three, the SR and the C, that's the common they run, and the start terminals, they are all grounded. It means that this compressor is burned out and it needs to be replaced. So that is the two common ways for you to test for a bad compressor, right? Simply use your multimeter and you do the test around the terminals.